Outdoor photography contains almost all genres that you can find in photo editing, starting from landscapes, nature, modern architecture, and more. This will be a perfect time to try new things and techniques to achieve a picture-perfect photo. Since it is pandemic time, most governments have declared a lockdown to ensure people's safety. So, how do you make the best of this quarantine time without going outside your house? Good thing, for you to experience outdoor photography without literally going outside, or visit the studio or get a professional photographer before taking amazing pictures, you may try using photo editing tools. There are few photo background editing apps that you may try using for you to experience different outdoors places. You may have a summer break theme, spring flower, nature, global tour, and even modern architecture. Whatever you're heading outdoors to capture, or staying at home, there will be no problem in making your outdoor photography an extra thing. Thank you for watching.